It was a very disappointing budget, and there wasn't very much in there. The minister kept on speaking about plans, but I mean, we've heard enough about plans. We actually want to see some action. The minister did speak about extending the social relief of distress grant, which we would support, but there is no ongoing plan for it, and there's also no finance for it. The minister did not mention the cost of living at all, not even once, which means that the government simply doesn't care about battling households. What the minister could very easily have done is to cut the tax and levies on fuel, and also could have expanded the zero VAT rated basket of food, but he did nothing on that. If we look at growth, for example, the minister did talk about private-public partnerships, which we do support on infrastructure, but there was absolutely nothing else to stimulate our economy and generate the jobs that we need. Debt continues to spiral upwards, and of course there's now a need, because the economy didn't grow fast enough, we have an under-collection in revenue. Government needs to cut, and it wants to cut in all of the wrong places. What it should do is cut the never-ending bailouts to the state-owned enterprises and also the bloated public sector wage bill. What government is now also talking about is bailing out Transnet. We don't know what that's going to look like, but I will certainly ask the minister questions on that tomorrow. When we look at the never-ending blackouts, there is again a plan, but the lights are still off, so there's no end in sight on that, and that's crushing our economy. Support for vulnerable South Africans, there's nothing in the budget to be smiling about for the hard-pressed South Africans who are battling. And then, of course, the grey listing, there's no end in sight and no hope of us getting off that until 2025. We could have done it earlier if we put more money on the judiciary.